how's it going? It's Sean Bradshaw from cyberfret.com, and in this lesson I'm going to show you the Woody Woodpecker blues. And all I'm doing is basically taking kind of the Woody Woodpecker theme and applying it to a blues in the key of E. So let's take a look at the main Woody Woodpecker theme riff. So I'm playing this in the key of E, and so I'm just going to play the first part, the main Woody Woodpecker theme here in the key of E. All right, and so I have some sweep picking here where I'm doing the first 3 notes as all downs, doing a sweep pick. And if you're not familiar with sweep picking, you can find a link to a basic sweep picking lesson on this page. But basically I'm just playing all 3 of those notes with just a downstroke, kind of like I'm strumming a chord, but I'm kind of trying to play them more individually rather than hearing them all together. I kind of roll my finger to do that. All right, and you can kind of think of this in 2 parts. Kind of think of 2 little licks here. The first one being the Woody Woodpecker call that's being played twice, and then this little melody here. And each of those is 2 beats. So this is 2 beats, and this, whoops, is going to be 2 beats. And what happens is in our blues, for this particular blues that I'm playing this over, I have the first 4 measures as all an E7 chord. And so I'm playing the whole theme part there. That works because it's over 4 bars. But when I go to the A7 chord in the 5th measure of the blues, I'm going to switch and I'm going to go to this. All right, and because it's only 2 beats that I have for the A7, I can't do the part over that A, so what I end up doing is I come back and play that part in E. So I go, and then over the B7 chord, I just take what I just did over the A7 and I play that 2 times, or I play the Woody Woodpecker call 2 times. And again, I kind of go back to the second part on the E. So kind of here's the whole thing going a little bit slower without the background. So you can really use this kind of theme as a lick idea that you can use in your own solos. It's really can be played over any major chord, and I just took the Woody Woodpecker theme through the E, the A, and the B. And so here I'm just going to kind of improvise a little bit in a blues over E, and I'm going to kind of incorporate the Woody Woodpecker theme into that. All right, so have fun playing your new Woody Woodpecker riff, and playing the Woody Woodpecker Blues. Have a good one.